All right, sparklers, it's time for The Gold Mine, a personal diary where I talk about the real challenges and triumphs we face as entrepreneurs. My goal is for all of us to feel a little less alone on this journey and a little more inspired to keep going. You know what throws people off the most when it comes to marketing? It's not the act of doing the marketing. It's not even the strategy. But it's the idea of what it's supposed to look like, how fast it'll work, how hard it'll be, and how many people it takes. And those expectations usually come from absolutely nowhere. Or from stories we've heard, things we've seen, or ideas we've pieced together from a mix of Instagram highlights and marketing advice that's been stripped of all nuance. It's kind of all like using a dating app for the first time. Maybe you've heard a few success stories. Your friend met her fiance, your cousin's roommate found the one. So you think, okay, cool, this'll be fun. You set up your profile, upload some cute photos, add a clever bio, and you expect the floodgates to open. Your person is definitely out there, probably just a few swipes away. It'll be magical, playful banter, deep connection, fireworks. And then the first profile is a man holding a fish. The second one is a blurry ceiling fan. The third is someone whose entire bio is just no drama. And you start to realize this is going to be a little more complicated than you thought. It's not that the apps don't work. They can. But the minute you actually use one, your expectations shift because now they're grounded in something real. You're no longer dreaming in hypotheticals. You're navigating based on experience. And that's kind of what so many business owners are missing when it comes to marketing. Because let's be honest, marketing from the outside looks deceptively simple. A couple social media posts, maybe a few emails, toss up some ads if you're feeling fancy. Maybe you think you'll just hire someone to take care of it all. But if you've never tried doing even a little bit of it yourself, it's nearly impossible to have realistic expectations about what's possible, what's time consuming, what's frustrating, what actually drives results. I see it all the time. Founders who want to delegate marketing without ever having dipped a toe in it. They've heard you just need to post consistently, or just set up flows, or just go viral, the dreaded just. But without having touched any of it firsthand, they don't have a frame of reference for how long something takes, how many decisions go into a single campaign, how many things can go wrong before something actually goes right. And to be clear, you do not need to be a marketing expert to run a successful business. That's not the point I'm making here. But you do need enough familiarity to make smart decisions, to lead with empathy, to know what good work looks like when you see it, and to avoid getting swept up in magical thinking or flashy promises. It's like in my own business. I don't love doing the bookkeeping. In fact, I kind of hate it. I've outsourced it for years, but I still check the numbers. I still try to recreate reports. I still poke around QuickBooks just enough to know what questions to ask and what red flags to look for. Because if I didn't, I wouldn't know if someone was doing a good job or quietly leading my business off a cliff. I wouldn't even know what I was missing. So if you're hiring someone for marketing or even thinking about hiring someone, please spend some time inside the tools first. Draft a subject line, open Klaviyo, try making a reel. Don't do it to get perfect results or to try to make yourself the expert if that's not your, how they say, zone of genius. Do it to build your vocabulary, your context, your empathy, because expectations in your business are going to come from experience, and experience, whether it's real, imperfect, or messy, all of it is what gives you the power to be a better collaborator, a better boss, and honestly, just a better human to work with. So go ahead, swipe a little, click around, make something, break something, learn a little. That's how you shift from fantasy expectations, the way you might have when you first join a dating app, to grounded, sustainable success. And isn't that what we're all looking for anyway? The match that actually makes sense in real life. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and check out my other videos for even more tips.